Hi, boys and girls. For your lesson today in reading, you learned about the vowel sound A, the long vowel sound of A, like an acorn. And so we have this picture over here to the left of the A to remind us that the long sound of the vowel A is A, like an acorn. A few weeks ago, we learned about the short vowel sound of A, which was A, in apple. But today we learned the long sound, A as in acorn. And so for this activity, you are going to be practicing the long vowel A sound, like the sound you hear of the A in acorn. So for this assignment, you are going to need your journal and your pencil. So you can pause the video so that you can go grab those two things. And then when you're ready, you can push the play button. Okay, so you need your journal and your pencil. And when you're ready, click play. Okay, so you see on this page different pictures, and they are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so you're going to look at each picture and you're going to say the name of each picture to yourself. You might want to say it out loud slowly so you can hear the sounds. And we are looking for pictures that have the A sound like that you hear in acorn. So we're not listening for the A sound, we're listening for the A like in acorn. Okay, and you're going to look at each picture, and if it has the A sound like an acorn, you are just going to write the number on your journal. You're not trying to spell the words. All you're doing is looking at the picture. If it has the A sound, you're going to write the number that goes with the picture in your journal. And then after you go through and do that, on the next slide, we will go through and we will check your work together. Okay, so look at the first picture. And it's a picture of a cupcake. So if you say the word slowly, cupcake, A. So you're going to think, do you hear that A sound like an acorn in the word cupcake? If you do, you are going to write the number 1 on a page in your journal. If you don't hear the A sound, you will not write the number 1. Okay. Then you would go to your next picture and you would say the word man, ma-ah, ma-ah. There's that sound, ah. Is that making the same sound that you hear in acorn? If you do hear that A sound like an acorn, you are going to write the number 2 on the page in your journal. If you don't hear that sound, then you are not going to write the number 2. Okay, and so you're going to go through and do that with all the pictures. If you hear the A sound, you will be writing the number, the long A sound like an acorn. And so your pictures are cupcake, man, pan, plane, bat. Number 6 is pointing to the plate. Number 7 is pointing to the cape. And number 8 is tape. So you can go ahead and pause the recording so that you can write down those numbers that you need to. And then when you're done, you can click play again and you will see me give you the answers so you can check your work. Okay, so you have finished writing down your numbers and you're ready to check your work. And so here are the answers. You should have written number 1 because cupcake has the A sound like an acorn, cupcake. You should have put the number 4 because the word plain has the A sound like an acorn. You should have put the number 6 because plate has the A sound like an acorn. You should have put the number 7 because cape has the A sound like an acorn. And you should have put the number 8 because the word ape has the A sound like an acorn.